Alright, here we are on to our next COVID-19 quarantine project. We're going to lay out deck tiles on the back deck today. We pressure washed this about a week ago, and the stain, as you can tell, it's been a couple years, so it's not consistent. So we figured, let's try these deck tiles. We brought the Runnen deck tiles from Ikea, and they basically come in these stacks of 6. So we ordered 27, but 26 came. But anyhow, we'll make do. And then they basically just gonna lay it down on these on the deck. We'll move all this and just kind of work our way from here all the way out to the edge, right? So yeah, hopefully it won't take too long. It's about 10:30 in the afternoon on May 3rd, so we'll see how long it takes. So just about finished, maybe a third, and need to move things back over so I can get more space. But here's the progress so far. This is about, I don't know, moving things out of the way and doing all this was about 45 minutes. It's about 11:15 right now. So yeah, laid down. It's pretty nice. Pretty quick, pretty easy. So yeah, trying to take advantage of the sun here because it's supposed to rain probably in the next hour, so so it's about 2:10. Stopped filming for a little while because the battery ran out, but continued on. Wanted to show the progress. This all this right here is completed now, and it took about 2 hours from 10:30 to 12:30, and so just kind of finish the laying down the main portion, and it's got a snug fit. It's looking good. Now it's just a matter of getting the trim pieces, or the cuts along the edge here on to the house. But what I did was essentially kept it flush on the outside, and yeah, got to this edge and just almost enough for a full tile. So just little cuts here and there. I'll use a little power jigsaw here. Here's my power tool with a jigsaw attachment to kind of cut that. But yeah, so let's see here, probably about we'll try and see if we can wrap this up by 3 o'clock and then get everything else put back. the finished product. I kind of had to finish off with some excess pieces because we were shorted one bundle. But yeah, overall it turned out pretty nice. Here. Still have to kind of organize the deck area, but yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty happy how it turned out. Alright. Anyways, that's the project for today.